are the top Etsy searches in 2024? Here at eRank, we're back with 2024's top Etsy searches. We can't wait to find out what they were. We know that when we did 2023's review this time last year, some of it surprised us. Then at the end, we'll analyse which top keywords showed the most purchase intent. For those who are new to selling online, we'll have more about that in a bit. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This video is just a summary. For more details, or if you prefer reading, please head over to the blog. Let's get straight into 2024's top 20 searches. And beware of trademark terms. This report may contain keywords that are trademarked. You know, we keep saying that Halloween is huge on Etsy. Nevertheless, even we're shocked that it got the top spot of the year. In 2023's top 20, it ranked 9th. So let's have a look in the keyword tool. Ranked number 1, Halloween, is up from 9th in 2023. While down year on year in October, Halloween was up year on year in December. It got 17,760 searches. When we reviewed December's Etsy category keywords, we did notice there were Halloween-related Christmas searches, like Halloween tree ornaments, even Halloween tree topper. The 2024 Top 1000 has 15 Etsy shopper searches with the word Halloween, and as you can see in the bar chart, Halloween has solid indications of purchase intent. That is, the click-through rate is over 100%, which indicates that people are searching for the keyword and they're clicking on listings they see in the search and hopefully buying. Now, we know you don't have time for hearing about all 20 of these, so just as we do for our monthly trend reports, let's just cover the climbers. That is, the top 20 Etsy shopper searches that weren't on the previous top 20 list. In this case, the 2023 annual top 20. These Etsy shopper searches climbed the furthest in 2024. We say climbed furthest because they covered the most ground to cinch a top 20 spot in the annual list. Because the majority did rank somewhere in 2023's top 20, 2 even held on to identical rank year on year, number 6 earrings and number 15 necklace, but 9 had to climb, and here they are in current rank order with their 2023 rank last. Last year was the first time we did an annual analysis, so we didn't know what to expect in terms of year-on-year turnover on these annual top 20 lists. We're surprised there were this many climbers. 9 new means that 9 of 2023's top products slipped down, and some of these sliders were shocking. We think those are worth mentioning too. Therefore, let's take a look just at the climbers that leapfrogged the most to rank in 2024's top 20. Then we'll have a look at the ones that dropped out. Rank number 10, women's clothing, up from 87th in 2023. This shopper search wasn't seen much on Etsy's top 20 lists before 2023. We assumed a lot of its popularity stemmed from Etsy promoting it on its homepage, but it's not there now. We checked incognito. We'll keep an eye out for it, but it could also simply be that more shoppers are coming to Etsy for women's clothing and men's clothing too. For 2024, men's clothing ranks 24th. It was only 156th in 2023. Etsy's always been a top destination for gift shopping, and we'll get to that topic in a bit. Could shoppers be coming to Etsy for a broader range of products these days? We'd love to know what you think. Ranked 16 is Christmas ornaments, up from 88th in 2023. Another surprise, not that it's so high here, but rather that it ranked so low a year ago. And Christmas ornaments is another search showing still popular now. Shoppers seeking post-Christmas discounts, do you suppose? This search peaks in November, and year on year this November it was down quite a lot, 20%, compared with 2023. Nevertheless, for the year, it's got a lovely click-through rate of 104%. That's the same as Halloween's. 6 searches with the word ornament made 2024's top 1000. In order by rank, here they are. Rank number 18th, furniture, is up from 59th in 2023. This is another search we eRank data geeks were surprised to watch climbing so high on Etsy, and not just in the US. Our first thought when furniture searches began climbing in our various countries' Etsy charts, it's the freight costs. Those have skyrocketed something shocking in recent years. The current rate is still lower than the pandemic peak, but higher than pre-pandemic levels. Perhaps, as with clothing, there are simply more shoppers coming to Etsy for furniture, or could be more people in general shopping online for furniture. A quick glance at figures indicates that the majority still prefer to shop and buy furniture in person, but the number who furniture shop online has indeed been growing, and for those, well, why not choose Etsy? Next, a quick look at 2023's top Etsy searches that failed to make 2024's top 20. Then we'll close with 2024's top shopper searches that show the most purchase intent. 2023's top Etsy searches turned sliders. You know how it's harder to notice what's missing than how to spot what's new? This applies here, and we're stunned. Some of these sliders ruled the Etsy top 20 for years. Have a look, we've listed them in order by their rank in last year's annual report, and then with their current rank. So the first 3 of these did have their plural form rank in the top 50 this year. We can skip those, but minimalist fell by nearly 100 in rank. 2023's number 10 minimalist is down to 104 now. That is decidedly down. In last year's annual report, though, we did see signs that minimalist was on the downslope. Wonder what style trends will be replaced by these? We'll keep you posted. 2023's number 13 handmade gift is down to 434th now. This one is more troubling because it's not a style trend. It's at the heart of what sets Etsy apart from other online marketplaces as a destination for both gifts and handmade items. Seeing this search sink so far down on Etsy, 2023's number 14, Handmade Jewelry, is down to number 544 now. Here's another one that was once a top 20 frequent flyer, now down even more in 2024. Year on year, December 2023 to December 2024, it's down 94%. Don't despair though. We took a quick peek at handmade jewelry's related searches, and yes, the broader shopper search handmade jewelry is undeniably down, but there were others that were up, and even some with low competition, plus new ones on the scene, so check out the blog where Jan takes you through the details. 2023's number 18 digital planner is now down to number 81, but it's popular right now with US buyers, so hopefully there are still some sales to be had. 2023's number 20 Mother's Day gifts, down and out now. By down and out, we mean that literally. Mother's Day gift, plural or singular, didn't make 2024's top 1000 at all. Lest you think it's just down because it's nowhere close to Mother's Day. Nope. Back in December 2023, Mother's Day and its related keywords got 4,470 searches, whereas this past December, a measly 30. That's down 99%. Ouch. And nary a mention of mother at all, not anywhere in 2024's top 1000. 2023 had 5, eh? But enough for the sliders. Let's turn to our first ever annual roundup of the year's top searches that show the most purchase intent. Are you here to find out what to sell on Etsy? Then this lightning round is for you. Here is 2022's top Etsy searches with 125% or higher click-through rate. Of the online marketplaces we cover, Etsy has the most keywords with high click-through rate. That said, even on Etsy, click-through rates above 125% are rare, especially for these annual figures. We hope some prove profitable leads for you. And one last thing before we begin, at least one of those shopper searches could be protected intellectual property, so please look before you leap. Over on the blog, Jan looks all the way into the top 250 search terms, so you want to check out there if you're interested in even more great keywords. And with that, all of us at eRank wish you the best in the new year. Get some rest. We'll be here for you in 2025.